Hello everybody. If I have to ask you a question, who is the best and the most innovative engineer out there or has ever been, what would your answer be? I think the best way is to look around. Nature has been involved with engineering since the beginning of the time, and when it comes to design and efficiency, nature takes gold. Compared with our technology, nature's solutions are often less wasteful, longer lived, self-maintaining, and typically stronger, faster, and lighter. Let us have a look at the most inspiring designs and engineering solutions that nature has undertook and how engineers were inspired by these ideas. Trees and bones. Trees and bones are strong and relatively lightweight. To distribute stress uniformly, trees add wood to the heaviest load points. Bones remove material from areas where it isn't needed to lighter skeletal frameworks. Engineers have incorporated structural design lessons from trees and bones into software design programs for optimizing the weight and performance of materials. Now, instead of a same thickness material, custom tailored blanks are used in vehicles to give the strength where it is required the most. This has resulted in lighter, more flexible, and more efficient vehicles. I'm pretty sure everybody can identify this magnificent plane. The A380 is the biggest and the heaviest plane in the world. Even this engineering marvel had to take clues from nature to make its existence possible. If the wings of the plane were to be designed in a conventional way, they would have gone to lengths that might have made this aeroplane unfit for the existing airports. To solve this problem, engineers analyzed the flight of a steppe eagle. They observed that the bird curls up the tip of its wings in the flight, and this resulted in this. The design solution made it possible for the plane to have wings of compact size. If we talk about civil engineering, here's an example of termite mounds. The inside of a termite mound stays at near constant temperature and humidity, no matter how wet, dry, scorching, or freezing it might be outside. To do this, termites open and close a series of heating and cooling vents throughout the day. The East Gate Shopping Center in Harare, Zimbabwe incorporates this design of termite mounds. Today, this building uses 10% of the energy required by similar conventional buildings. Let us now cut down to the size a bit and see how engineering might be at work at a microscopic level. Viruses, which might not sound inspiring, can actually give birth to a new technology in the medical field. Viruses can measure only a few nanometers in length and are able to seek out specific kinds of cells somehow before replicating. Doctors hope to create nanoparticles that mimic this ability. This will enable us to cure cancer and other diseases on a cell-by-cell basis. The idea is to create a drug delivery particle that can seek out a cancer cell, infiltrate it, and deliver medication exactly where it is required. By targeting just the cancer cells, doctors hope to eliminate the disease while minimizing any side effects. The list is endless, and it is evident that the most grueling problems of 21st century cannot be tackled without the contribution from Mother Nature. But we have to ask ourselves how we are paying back in return to all these ideas. We have to ask ourselves, can't we invent, develop, and progress efficiently and sustainably just the way nature has been doing since the beginning of the time? And in the end, we have to ask ourselves, can we expect to grow and survive if we sabotage our very own inspiration? Thank you.